NDLEA chairman don't confirm say this thing wey they call Igbo smoke. Say in fact as e be like this, say most Nigerians we don't they misuse them. And as the matter gather, it be like say na Nigeria now be the highest user globally. Now what this man talk? Sure, something wey they never legalize. Oh, now Nigerians don't turn to the highest user. It means almost every Nigerian will be Malians. If almost they say half. Everybody inside Nigeria, they use this kind. It means everybody don't turn science student. Everybody don't use this thing, this smoke. We don't they do them. Because I don't understand where then these people go gather their own statistics from. Because as CBN, they talk say 10.6 million Nigerians. Now they actively use this Igbo. Hey! It's not surprising. 10 point. I bet how many will be inside Nigeria? How many people there inside Nigeria will be say 10.6 people? Now, million, I not talk say 1,000, million people. Now, they drink, see, I don't even confuse. Say, now they smoke and drink this, so many things what they talk about. Naija people, hey, our so-called Nigerians, we they try. Now I understand why everybody no more for the country. Now I reason why everybody, they say, people they meant small. Now I understand. Even person say when they smoke all this thing, bless if in neighbor they smoke. As they smoke, they near them. Instead of they high, small. Now they understand what they make people they craze inside Nigeria. Because for this thing to they high, it means the people they really take this thing. And I should say, NDLEA people no go just come outside, they confirm this kind of thing. And as the matter be, in fact, they can't even do questioning. They interview this man. And now the man can't talk, say, these people where they take this thing, say, in fact, normally, people when they smoke and take this Igbo and drugs, they're supposed to treat them as patients. Say, because of, say, for abroad, people when they take this kind of thing, you know, say, small scoy, they worry them, and they know, say, they don't overuse them. Now, I make the country reason and say, okay, maybe they treat them. But inside this our Nigeria where we did, they treat them like criminals because people know how to use them. If they say drink 1 spoon of Igbo, they go take 10 spoons. They go even take 50 cups of Igbo. Now they ain't going to reason. I'm saying this whole thing where they happen inside Nigeria, if they don't even stop this Igbo thing, the thing go come turn over. In fact, my people, make them follow me watch the interview.
A long time ago, we used to be more a traffic country, not anymore. Now we are mainly a consumer. Mainly of the 14.3 million, 10.6 million use cannabis, which is mostly grown here. We import, that is to say, Nigerians, those who are criminals, import still some from Canada, some from Ghana, some from the US, skunk, Arizona, and all these others. But for the most part, it's grown here in Nigeria, and 77% of drug users in Nigeria concentrate on cannabis.
So 77% are cannabis users?
Yes.
So what other drug comes next after cannabis when it comes to use in Nigeria?
Okay, cocaine. Well, next in order, tramadol, then codeine, then cocaine, then heroin, then methamphetamine, in that order. And then you have the new psychoactive substances, all kinds of stuff which you don't buy. These are droppings, toilets, gutters and stuff. It's horrible, but they are doing it.
We had people from the international community at that event. And of course, at the time, that was the first time I was hearing about the fact that the drive, when you are handling drug use and drug abuse, is to treat drug users as patients, not as criminals. Is that something that we still hold on to in Nigeria?
It's actually a disease. There are two angles to it. First, the drug supply reduction, where we are the lead agency to enforce the laws against drugs, its cultivation, its manufacture, sale, and so on and so forth. But the other angle that must balance the supply reduction is the demand reduction. And one of the ways to deal with demand reduction is to treat the consumers actually as people who need help. For the most part, you find that they feel stigmatized or ashamed to look for treatment. That shouldn't be the case. So we tend not to criminalize users, pure users at a certain quantum. Otherwise, everybody will go out now and start looking for what to smoke.
And they see as boys, they perform chemical mixture. Hey, Nigeria, me say we very, in fact, we over good for mixture. We sabi mix this thing. Say Pepsi and this one. And, why na no go dey craze? Why person no go take Colorado, come start to dey behave like mad person? Now they understand. And all of us know say this kind things, in fact, it no good for our health. So how you not go expect me they treat na as patient? When we say the patient don't turn to mad person, how they want to treat you? And every day night, these NDLEA people, they catch people. And the man, they talk, say, fine. They feel leave this matter or say they want to treat you as patient too. But not be when they go see thousands of cocaine and things for your body. You come, they talk, say, you know where. They're not very reason your matter that well. Say they no go every reason. And say before, say Nigerian, we did very good for trafficking these things. But as it be like this, everybody don't turn consumer. Everybody don't, everybody don't they do them. So now it can't be like saying, no, we know they even sell them again. Now we can't they use them. I can't they wonder, I better go in one place, Jamaica. We have one place, Ghana, where we say they even legalize this weed. Nigeria, where we say they never even can legalize them. Now everybody don't hide. We don't hide on our own. Maybe say, if government can't legalize, it means the whole of Nigeria that day. Smoke go take in fact, smoke go overshadow everywhere for Nigeria that day. The day where president go accept, say they won't do this kind of thing. And the reason I say, the reason why make people they take this Igbo, now because of say poverty day. You see this man logic, say because people go they think say they never chop, they no get work to do, they no get this one, all this one, neither the reason. Now make they take all this Igbo, they smoke all these kind of things. See, and I make Mr. President don't they work on the 1,000 ways to lift out Nigerians from poverty. I hope say this 1,000 ways go work. I hope so you go really work to them because forget your 1,000 ways to bring out people from poverty. Some people just they take this thing just because they say waiting. They just want high. They just want enter cloud 9. They just want to see things in a different level. And maybe they take this kind of thing. So I'm not sure say. So I won't even ask on that. I beg go. May they legalize this and may they leave it. Because now I go fit answer this kind of question because the thing now don't turn to debate because they talk say even government officials they talk say make they keep this thing. I know say them so they take them all this like Muhammad. I sure say himself. In they do them small. But I know say they get reason why all these people need. Forget people where they use this thing for medicine. Forget people where they use this thing for say that they use and create drugs and all this kind of thing. But some people they take this thing just because of safety. They just want mint. They go tell them say this thing they take good, but they go still accept say yeah, so they won't high. They won't get the feelings of when the person take it go, how they want a day. Which cloud they want day in? What they go? Now what make them do this kind of thing? So I beg I no can understand. But your government go ban them, I be make them leave them. Now I go decide down when I make the action and I beg what be on our own opinion. This Igbo of 18, may they keep them, I be make they carry them go. May they legalize them, I be make people because we are not saying they legalize this inside Nigeria. In fact, everywhere don't go, people go overuse them. Now idea na go see a person go even cook spaghetti. You go carry it, go mix them. You go even think say na leaf there, you know say na weed full am. So I go dey wait for a comment. Anything when I feel, make no forget to write them down there for the comment section. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for our next video.